We can now add as many items as we like to our cart, and if we go back to our home page and select a new product, we can add any other of the products that we have in our app to our cart. So we can add multiple products of any amount, but how do we remove them? How do we remove a given product from the cart? If we move to the Remove from Cart component, we can once again grab the product prop that we're passing down to this component and once again use Shopping Cart. And from there we can use the opposite function to add item. We can use Remove Item. And in a very similar fashion, we can add an on-click to remove, and we can call a function handle remove item, which will create above our return. Here, we just need to pass in part of the product. We don't need to pass in the entire product like we do in Add to Cart. We just need to pass into the remove item function the product's SKU, its unique identifier. Again, remembering that if we look at our local storage, this is how the cart values are being managed on cart details according to each SKU, unique product ID that we have here. So we're removing the item, and afterwards we want to show a success toast notification, just like we did for handle add item. So we'll make sure to import toast, and we're going to say product.name is removed from your cart. And if we have these two items, we have the bath towels and we have this glass in our cart currently with this SKU, and we hit remove, we see immediately that it's been removed from the cart details object. And if we head back to the bath towels and we remove that, then that's gone as well, and we have nothing in our cart. One small addition that's worth adding, however, is instead of being able to click this when there are no items, so there are currently no items in our cart, but we can still hit remove, and we get this false message that says bath towels have been removed. They currently aren't in our cart, so we know that that's not true. And we get this warning saying invalid action arguments. So to prevent this, we can disable our button using the disabled prop. We can disable it when the cart count is 0. So cart count gives us the number of items in our cart, the quantity. And we know that if there's nothing in the cart, if not cart count, so this would be true when cart count is 0, but if it was 1, it would be false. If we include that, when we click, we see that it doesn't work. It's only going to work whenever we have, oh, and I need to spell removed correctly. It's only going to work when we actually have an item in our cart.